Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our MoneyXGrab channel. If you're looking to turn your dreams into reality by starting your own online business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of niche e-commerce stores with dropshipping, a fantastic opportunity to create a passive income stream that can truly change your life. But before we jump into the strategies and tools, let me share an inspiring story with you. Just a few years ago, Emily, a full-time teacher, felt the itch to do something more. She stumbled upon the concept of niche e-commerce with dropshipping and decided to take the leap. Today, she's not only supplementing her income but has the freedom to travel, spend time with family, and pursue her passions. You see, the power of a well-crafted niche e-commerce store goes beyond profits. It's about crafting a lifestyle you love. Research and validation. And you know what? Emily's story isn't an exception. According to recent e-commerce research, the global online retail market is projected to hit a mind-boggling $6.4 trillion by 2024. This means there's an ocean of opportunity out there, and today, I'll guide you through the waves to help you catch the perfect dropshipping wave. Point 1. Niche selection. Alright, let's dive into the very first crucial step. Choosing your niche. Research is your compass here. Look for a niche that's not only profitable but also aligns with your passions. Remember, your enthusiasm will shine through, making your store stand out. Tools like Google Trends and niche research platforms can be your treasure maps, showing you where the X marks the spot. Now, let's hoist our sails and delve deeper into the all-important niche selection, the foundational step to your e-commerce success. This is where the journey truly begins. Before we even set our sights on a niche, let's talk numbers. According to recent e-commerce data, niche stores are steadily outperforming general stores. Why, you ask? Well, it's like being a specialist in a field rather than a jack of all trades. You can provide expert knowledge, curated products, and a tailored shopping experience that resonates deeply with your customers. Alignment with passions. Think about it, mateys. What's that one thing you could talk about endlessly? Is it sustainable fashion, pet accessories, or perhaps smart home gadgets? Your passion is your compass, pointing you in the right direction. When you're genuinely interested in your niche, it's not just business, it's a labor of love. Your enthusiasm becomes infectious and translates into the content you create, the products you curate, and the way you engage with your customers. Standing out in the crowd. Now, here's where the treasure hunt gets exciting. Remember, you're not the only sailor on these e-commerce seas. There are others seeking that same golden opportunity. But fear not. Your secret weapon is uniqueness. When your store aligns with your passions, your perspective on the niche becomes one of a kind. Your store's personality shines, setting you apart from the sea of competitors. Google Trends and niche research platforms. Ready to grab your spyglass and map? Google Trends is your first mate. It helps you spot rising trends and seasonal fluctuations. Imagine being the first to offer a product that's just beginning to soar in popularity. That's like hitting the jackpot. Niche research platforms are like the cartographers of the e-commerce world. They give you insights into market demand, competition levels, and product ideas. Remember, X marks the spot where demand and passion intersect. Real-life inspiration. Let me share an inspiring story here. Meet Alex, an artist with a penchant for vintage fashion. He turned his love for retro styles into a niche e-commerce empire, curating unique vintage pieces from around the world. His passion not only made his store thrive but also formed a community of like-minded fashion enthusiasts. Point 2. Winning products. Ahoy, product hunters! Once you've got your niche, it's time to set sail for the perfect products. Conduct deep research to find products that solve problems or fulfill desires within your niche. Check out what your competitors are offering, and remember, it's not about copying but about improving and innovating. You want products that make your customers say, "Wow, I need this." Our voyage into the world of niche e-commerce with dropshipping continues, and in this exciting chapter, we're embarking on a treasure hunt for those winning products that will set your store apart. ready to uncover the gems that will make your customers say, "Wow, I need this." Let's dive right in. Deep sea of research. Imagine this journey as a deep-sea expedition, where each product you discover is like a rare and precious marine creature. To find these treasures, research becomes your diving gear. Dive deep into your niche, understanding the pain points, desires, and gaps that need filling. When you solve a problem or fulfill a need, you're not just selling a product, you're offering a solution that resonates. Innovate, don't imitate. Remember, my friends, this isn't about mere imitation, it's about innovation. Your competitors might have great products, but your aim is to elevate them. Take inspiration, then add your unique twist. Whether it's through improved functionality, a fresh design, or additional value, your products should shine as brighter stars in the night sky. Competitor analysis. Just as ancient explorers studied maps and charts, you too must embark on a competitor analysis expedition. Scout your rival stores to understand what they're offering, what's resonating with their audience, and where there might be gaps. Your goal isn't to replicate their offerings, but rather to fill in the spaces they've missed and provide even more value. Customer-centric approach. Think of your customers as the captains of their own ships, navigating the vast sea of choices. To stand out, your products should make their journey smoother and more delightful. Imagine their joy when they stumble upon your store and find exactly what they've been searching for. Your products should resonate so strongly that they become an integral part of their lives. Tapping into trends. Just like sailors watch the stars for guidance, keep a keen eye on trends that shape your niche's horizon. This doesn't mean jumping onto every passing trend, but rather understanding how trends intersect with your niche. Trends can open doors to new product possibilities, helping you capture the zeitgeist and cater to the evolving needs of your audience. Real-life triumph. Allow me to share the tale of Jake, an eco-conscious entrepreneur who rode the wave of sustainability. With careful research and innovative sourcing, he curated eco-friendly products that not only addressed environmental concerns but also offered style and utility. His products resonated with a growing audience eager to make responsible choices. Point 3. Marketing magic. Now that your ship is stocked with amazing products, it's time to raise the sails and catch the wind with marketing strategies. From social media marketing to influencer collaborations and SEO optimization, there are countless ways to spread the word. Emily's success story, and numerous others, teach us that consistent, targeted marketing can turn strangers into loyal customers. Now, it's time to hoist our sails and let the marketing magic carry our message to every corner of the e-commerce world. Get ready to unleash strategies that turn curious browsers into passionate customers. Raising the marketing anchors. Think of your marketing strategies as the sails of your e-commerce ship. They catch the wind and propel you forward. Your store might be a hidden gem, but without the right marketing, it's like a treasure chest buried in the sand. Let's pull up those anchors and set our course for success. Social media mastery. The world of social media, a bustling harbor where customers gather. Create captivating content that showcases your product's uniqueness and their value. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Each platform is a different island waiting to be explored. Engage with your audience, tell your brand story, and let your products take center stage. Influencer collaborations. Just as explorers would team up with locals to navigate unfamiliar terrain, partnering with influencers can help you navigate the vast expanse of social media. Choose influencers whose audience aligns with your niche, and let them showcase your products in creative and authentic ways. This not only expands your reach but also adds credibility to your brand. SEO treasure hunt. Picture this: you're a cartographer mapping out your digital territory. SEO optimization is your compass. Research keywords relevant to your niche and products, and weave them into your website content. This helps your store appear in search results when potential customers are looking for what you offer. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for them to follow to your treasure trove. Email campaigns. Just as captains used signal flags to communicate, your email campaigns can signal special offers, new arrivals, and personalized recommendations to your customers. Collect email addresses through incentives like exclusive discounts or freebies, and use these campaigns to keep your audience engaged and excited. Storytelling with content. The sea is full of stories, and so is your e-commerce journey. Use blog posts, videos, and other forms of content to tell tales about your products, their benefits, and the values they embody. Customers are drawn to stories that resonate with them, creating a deeper connection with your brand. Emily's success story. Remember Emily, the teacher who set sail on the e-commerce sea? Her journey wasn't just about products, it was about the stories she told. By sharing her passion for her niche and the journey of curating unique products, she built a community of like-minded individuals who became not just customers, but loyal supporters. Point 4. Automate and elevate. Picture this: your e-commerce ship sailing smoothly while you sip your favorite drink on the deck. Automation tools are your trusty crew members, ensuring orders are processed, inventory is managed, and customers are kept in the loop. With tools like Oberlo, Dropshipping, and Shopify, you'll be free to focus on steering your business towards success. So, grab your compass, and let's set sail into the world of automation. The vision of smooth sailing. Imagine, if you will, a tranquil voyage where you're not weighed down by tedious tasks. Automation tools are your dedicated crew members, tirelessly working to ensure your ship sails smoothly while you enjoy the view. These tools handle the nitty-gritty tasks, freeing you to focus on steering your ship towards greater success. Streamlining order processing. Hoisting sails, checking the rudder, and managing orders. It's a lot to handle. Enter automation tools like Oberlo and Dropshipping. These tools connect directly to suppliers, enabling you to process orders seamlessly. With a few clicks, products are ordered and shipped to customers, allowing you to offer a hassle-free shopping experience. Mastering inventory management. Just as a well-organized ship prevents chaos at sea, proper inventory management prevents customer dissatisfaction. Tools like Shopify and Inventory Planner keep track of your stock, ensuring you never run out of popular items and can swiftly remove products that are no longer available. Personalizing customer engagement. The wind in your sails? That's the wind of personalized customer engagement tools at play. Tools like Klaviyo and MailChimp automate email campaigns that send tailored messages to your customers based on their interactions and preferences. It's like speaking directly to each customer, fostering a deeper connection. Effortless customer service. In the vast ocean of customer inquiries, a reliable customer service system acts as your guiding star. Help desk software like Zendesk or Freshdesk organizes and automates customer inquiries, ensuring that every concern is addressed promptly and professionally. Scaling with confidence. As your ship grows stronger and sails farther, you need systems that can handle the journey. Automation tools empower you to scale your business with confidence. Processes that once seemed daunting can now be handled efficiently, allowing you to explore new horizons. Real-life empowerment. Consider Maria, who started her e-commerce journey with a limited crew. With automation tools in her arsenal, she expanded her store, improved customer experiences, and unlocked more time for strategic decision-making. The right tools transformed her from a sailor to a captain, navigating her ship with precision and purpose. Point 5. Customer delight. Aye, Captain, your customers are the heart of your business. Providing exceptional customer service is like throwing a lifeline to ensure they keep coming back. Consider live chats, personalized thank you notes, and hassle-free return policies. Remember, happy customers not only return, but they also bring their friends along for the journey. Conclusion. As we sail towards the horizon of success, always keep in mind that building a niche e-commerce store with dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a voyage that requires dedication, passion, and a willingness to learn from the tides. Just like Emily and countless others, you too can turn your aspirations into accomplishments. So, what are you waiting for? Cast off those doubts and set sail towards your dream of financial freedom and a life you love. If you enjoyed this voyage of knowledge, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming adventures in the world of entrepreneurship. Until next time, fair winds and prosperous tides.